So I go to MM02 and I select basic data 1 and 2, MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, and work scheduling. So other things, the general data, right? So I give the plant, basic data 1 is okay, MRP 1 is, to generate plan orders we use MRP type, and the procurement type should be X or E for the finished good. Okay, so I'll make it E. And strategy group, so if you are doing the make to order production, you can select 10. If you do make to stock production, uh, make to stock 10, make to order 20. Likewise, there are many strategies, so I will select make to stock for this example. And the important thing is in MRP4, if this is relevant to repetitive manufacturing, you have to tick this one and you have to select the repetitive manufacturing profile. So I choose this repetitive manufacturing profile. This implies many things. I'm not going to discuss everything here. Okay, so these are the mm, and also the work scheduling also important. This window should be extended in the material master if you use this finished good for production. Otherwise you can't create plan production orders or plan orders. Okay, so here you can put the production scheduling profile if you want, right? So I save this one. Now this part is done.